Organizing school activities, meaning activities that are organized by school authority, head of school, teachers, or student. Activity that can help students develop their self-confidence, to make them independent, and to help them to acquire different type of skills. It could also be curricular or co-curricular activities. Curricular activities includes the classroom activities, which are like classroom experiment, discussion, question answer session, scientific observation, using of audio and visual aids, guidance program, examination and evaluation work or follow-up program, etc. Next is activity in the library, like referring a books or reading a journal or reading a newspaper, etc. Activity in the laboratory. It refers to activities which are carried out in the science laboratory, social science room, laboratories in the humanities like home science, practical class, and others. Other activities which we can organize are like in the workshop, the presentation, discussion, or a panel discussion. Let us see what are the activities which can include in the co-curricular activity. Some of them are in the physical development activity, which include sports, physical education, and athletic field, yoga, swimming, gardening, mass drill, driving, and others. Next is academic development activity. These activities include the different formation of different clubs like science clubs, history clubs, green clubs, and other. And besides these activities, we can also prepare the charts, model, projects, quiz competition on these following categories. Next is literary activities, which we can organize like publication of the school magazine, wall magazine, bulletin boards, debates, essays, poem writing competition, etc. Next is cultural development activities like drawing, painting, music, dancing, dramas, folk song, fancy dress, variety show, community activity, exhibition, or even visiting to a local important place like museum and others. Another is social development activities, which we can organize like the formation of NSS, NCC, Guide, Scout, and other activity. Moral development activity. Here, we can organize activities like social service, cleaning drive, celebration of birthdays of great men of national and international reputation. Then we can also organize a morning assemblies which will help the student in many ways. And we also have here the National Integration Development activities which every school organize, and it can include campaign, educational tour, speech program, or the celebration of national and international days in the school. Points to remember while planning to organize school activities. The first is what you have to do, which include the subject or the activity. Next is when do you have to do these activities, which means in the term of time scale from yearly calendar to the daily time table. When to plan for these activities. Next is where you have to do. A places where the activity should take place, like whether you'll be organizing it in a classroom, library, playground, or other places.